Juice. Think about it. Detox diet juice. Drinking a combination of fresh fruit and vegetable juices is truly an effective means of detoxification, the process of cleansing your body from toxins. The health benefits of drinking fresh fruit and or vegetable juices are higher for those people who prepare them themselves than those who consume little in a day. Having a glass of fruit or vegetable juice first thing in the morning is a great detoxifier. However, you must be cautious of the wrong way of preparing your detox diet juice, or using equipment that is accompanied with toxic metals. And never use high aluminum water nor aluminum-based antacids with your detox diet juice. The fruits and vegetables you will need in your detox diet juice must be all natural and organic. Ideally, select from a variety of leafy greens, or include some carrots, romaine lettuce, spinach, celery, zucchini, kale, etc., and use only filtered or distilled drinking water. There is also such a thing as detox diet juice fasting, the extreme way of detoxification. In this program, you are to fast from solid foods, even fruits and vegetables. The purpose behind it is to give your digestive system a break from breaking down solid foods and drain any materials clogged in your intestines. However, you could ease on your detox diet juice fasting by submitting yourself to a fruit and vegetable diet from 1 to 5 days, but your goal is to continue on to a detox diet juice fasting. This program is contraindicated to people with chronic diseases like high blood pressure, heart disease, diabetes, cancer, low blood sugar, kidney disease, malnutrition, iron deficient and anemic, ulcerative colitis, and other chronic conditions. The detox diet juice fasting is likewise not intended for pregnant and lactating women as well as children. If it's your first time to go on an all-liquid diet, allow your body to get accustomed to it first. A 1 to 3 day trial with absolutely no solid foods may suffice to let you know that your system is fit for it. Then, proceed until you're able to complete the program for 5 days. This may seemingly be painstaking, but the gains certainly outweigh the pains. These detox diet juice recipes may be helpful in getting you started with your detox program. The vegetable juice combo consists of 2 Swiss chard leaves, 1/2 beetroot, 2 to 3 sprigs of watercress, 3 carrots, and a celery stalk. Wash the vegetables using distilled water, cut and place in a juicer or blender. As a variant, you could try the carrot apple juice by mixing 2 to 3 green apples, 1 carrot fresh basil leaves in a juicer or blender. Try to combine fruits and vegetables to get your entire recommended nutrient intake each day.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.